Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will be making just a cute, simple card with the Dress My Craft die cuts ice cream cone shaker die cut set. So I'm really excited because when I first bought this, I already had an idea what kind of card I wanted to do. So I'm so happy to finally get it started. Also, I really do apologize for the lighting in the video if it's being kind of wonky. I just bought like a new ring light for filming and it's a place to attach my phone, and the issue I have with that is that it's really high up. So when I place my phone, I can't see how it's recording, and it was recording in slow motion the whole time I was filming this video. I wanted to scream. I also didn't want to refilm it because the card was already made and finished. So yeah, sorry if it's a little bit of blinking. It does not last the whole video, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video. So the device I'm using to cut these die cuts is the Scissors Big Shot Plus in a cherry blossom color. I bought it from scrapbook.com. And I'm also using my weeding tool to take care of any bits that don't want to come out the die cut. And honestly, after using these die cuts, I do thoroughly love these die cuts. This is actually my first set of die cuts from this brand. And I've never heard of Dress My Craft. If you heard of them before, let me know down below. It's called Dress My Craft. And I found them on scrapbook.com. I haven't checked out their other stuff, but so far I am loving these die cuts. I think they're really cute. I also want to let you know that I'm cutting them on foam sheets. So the foam sheets that I use are simply from Walmart, and it makes making shaker cards so much easier. And now I'm just going to go ahead and choose my paper, cut it, and we're good. So you shouldn't have any crazy lighting issues in this part of the video. And here I'm just going to be constructing the card. But I want to finish talking about the paper materials I'm using. So I'm using cardstock for the backgrounds of the card, foam tape for the little ice cream cone, of course, and I'll be adding other elements such as stamping, embossing, and of course the glitter. So let's go ahead and put this card together. So the glue that I'm using to glue all the pieces together, I think it's just simple Elmer's glue, but I had to move it to this really tiny tube because look how thin these die cuts are. Like there's no surface to just glue, however. So I'm trying to be extremely careful with gluing, and honestly, I kind of hate it because it hurts my hands, but it makes the project look a lot better. So if you have any kind of projects that's pretty intricate, I highly recommend that you do get some kind of really skinny nozzle or something. It does make gluing a lot better and easier, but maybe it's the bottle I have. I don't like the nozzle I have, so I might have to buy a new one. It's so annoying. It hurts my hands and I have to squeeze really hard to get this glue out. So I'm just like letting you know. But y'all, after I found out about using foam sheets for shakers, every time I make a video, I gotta share this hack. I found it somewhere on Instagram, and I can't remember who I found it from. But instead of using just paper and foam tape to adhere your shakers, just get foam sheets, thin foam sheets, and then glue it together. And that's it. It's so much less messier. It adheres a lot better and stays together. I really do enjoy using foam sheets. Now, I can't use it for every kind of die cut, but I use it as much as I can. Trust and believe. Okay. And then for the top of the cone, I'm just putting it on acetate page so that, you know, the glitter doesn't fall out. And I'm gluing it on there, and it's going to go on top. So the way I kind of have it set up is that I wanted to include some glitter elements. So the ice cream is going to be glittery, and then like the bottom part of the waffle cone is going to be glittery. I thought it came together really good once I put the colors together. Like you see when I put it on right here, like it looks so cute. I love how the glitter and the foam kind of contrast. Like it's adorable. But anyways, I'm cutting this out with my spring scissors from We Are Makers. By the way, I recommend these scissors. It makes cutting out intricate cuts so much easier if you have to do it manually. And these scissors can turn any direction you want it to turn, and it's easy on the hands. So now I'm going to go ahead and put some glitter in here. And this is a combination of different kinds of glitter. So Hobby Lobby, Michael's, eBay, not eBay, y'all, Etsy. It's just a combination of places I got glitter from. And honestly, I don't know. I think the best place to probably get glitter, in my opinion, I don't know. I really like Michaels and Etsy. They do have like a whole bunch of, variety to choose from. Now, this right here, the watermelon, is my favorite. It is so adorable. And it's funny that I have all of this because I was going to sell stuff in the shop, but there we go with that again. So I don't know what I'm doing with this shop, to be honest, but I got all these materials and they need to be used. So y'all will see me make some card making videos. So now I'm just putting everything together. You put the acetate on top and then you just have this beautiful glitter finish and it looks really nice with the foam sheets. Now I'm just using foam tape to adhere the back of the white sheet to the front of the pink sheet. And it's going to kind of give this kind of depth dimension effect. I love adding like dimension and texture to my cards. So I try to use as much foam tape as I can when I'm making cards because it kind of looks 3D. It looks really, really cool. So after that, I decided to just glue on the waffle cone, but I had to do the foam tape on the ice cream part because I felt like it kind of sat up kind of weird. Like, I don't know. I wanted to make it even, so I felt like that was the combo I had to do. So next I'm going to use the Versamark embossing stamp pad, and I chose some stamps from my stamp collection. And once I figured out which ones I wanted to use, I adhered it to the acrylic block and I simply just used, the embossing pad and pressed it on there. I'm gonna let you know right now, stamping is not my strong suit. I mess up almost every time I do so. Like in this video, I messed this up. However, it ain't worth starting over. We're gonna make it work. So what I did was I grabbed an embossing pen. I know, I just saw it at Hobby Lobby. I grabbed an embossing pen and I kind of had to complete the W because that's the part that was messed up. And it looked better. It looked a lot better. Of course, you're going to see a montage and a close-up of this card at the very end. I'm also using this hot gun to just, dry up the glitter because that's what you're supposed to do. And let me know if you want me to make a video about like embossing stamps and stuff. Now I'm just cleaning up everything. I bought this from Michaels. This is a Recollections. It's a little vacuum cleaner for glitter. I actually recommend it. It's so life-changing. Anyways, this is the card. I think it looks so adorable and I'm so happy with the results. It's exactly what I was looking for. Something sweet, something cute for summer, and something simple to do. And the die cuts wasn't even expensive. I'll make sure to link it down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. And of course, I'm going to show you the montage and the up close of this card. Make sure you subscribe for more papercraft content and planner content. And once again, guys, thank you for watching. I really enjoyed making this card. Bye.